Scams in online shopping. Exercise caution and stay vigilant. The rapid development of the internet has brought many conveniences to people's lives, but at the same time, it has also given rise to numerous scammers, particularly in the realm of online shopping, where such scammers are rampant and difficult to distinguish. Scammers use exaggerated product images and false product descriptions to entice consumers into scams. However, the actual products received often differ significantly from expectations, leading to great disappointment and trouble for consumers. This phenomenon is largely due to the inadequacies in the legal framework in the internet age. In such an environment, scammers can operate with impunity. However, if the shopping payments could be made through an intermediary payment platform, with the funds being held until the customer confirms receipt before releasing payment to the seller, the number of scammers might significantly decrease. This requires the collective effort of society, through legislation and regulation, to standardize the online shopping market. In facing this situation, we must remain vigilant. When shopping online, we should always be cautious of scammers' methods and tactics, and enhance our awareness. At the same time, we must improve our self-discipline and ability to discern truth from falsehood and protect our own interests. Resisting such deceit and control is a crucial way to protect our own interests. If we do not remain vigilant while shopping, we can easily fall into scammers' traps, becoming controlled and deceived. This not only leads to financial losses but also affects our quality of life, diminishing our happiness. When shopping online, we should choose reliable shopping platforms, preferably well-known merchants, and check other consumers' reviews and feedback. Additionally, we should carefully read product descriptions and the seller's reputation information before purchasing, understanding the real situation of the product, and avoiding blind purchases. Caution should be exercised not only in online shopping but also in other internet activities such as social media use and choosing online services. We should be cautious in protecting personal information and not readily disclose our private data. In using social media, we must also be careful to avoid fake news and scam links. Moreover, education and outreach are essential. Families, schools, and various sectors of society should enhance internet safety education, guiding people to recognize risks in online shopping and other internet activities, and cultivating their ability to identify and prevent scams. This education not only protects individuals but also purifies the entire online environment. On the other hand, governments and regulatory agencies need to take more proactive measures to combat online fraud. Strengthened oversight and enforcement can effectively curb scammers' rampant activities. Furthermore, governments can collaborate with various internet companies to establish better consumer protection mechanisms, ensuring people's safety while shopping online and using other internet services. In the era of globalized internet, international cooperation is particularly important. Through cooperation, countries can jointly combat cross-border online fraud and protect consumers' interests worldwide. This collaboration not only helps maintain healthy internet development but also establishes a fairer and safer global internet environment. In conclusion, there are many scams in online shopping, and we must remain vigilant and enhance our awareness of scams. By treating online shopping with caution and choosing trustworthy sellers, we can effectively reduce the risk of being scammed and protect our rights. In the face of scammers, we must speak out bravely and take action to jointly maintain a healthy and safe online shopping environment. However, preventing scammers and protecting our rights is not only the responsibility of the government and regulatory agencies but also that of each individual. Everyone should actively participate in this process by learning and sharing anti-fraud knowledge, helping those around them become more vigilant. Only through the collective effort of the whole society can we truly combat scammers and make online shopping and other internet activities safer and more reliable. How do you ensure your own rights and safety while shopping? How can your experience and practices help others?